Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. This is chat app series. So in the previous video we have freed all the users from the Firebase database and also we have performed our search feature in over this activity. So now we will set a click listener on every user. When we click on this user we will open the profile of that particular user. So inside this load user we will set click listener. So here we have on bind view holder. So here we will set click listener. So holder dot item view dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we will pass the ID of that particular user. So we need another activity. So first we will create another activity. So right click on package, new, and create empty activity and give the name view friend activity and click on finish. Okay, now inside find friend activity we will create the intent equal to new intent, and this is our find friend activity, and target activity is over view friend activity dot class. Okay, now we need to pass the data through this intent. So intent dot put string extra, and here we will pass user key, will add over user key, and here we will pass the key. We will access the ID of that particular user by getref and give the position dot get key dot toString. Okay, now finally we will start activity and pass this intent inside this. Okay, now inside over view friend activity, here we will get that ID. So here we create the string user ID, and here we will get the ID. So get intent dot get string extra, and here we will pass that key. So here we have passed the user key, and here we will pass this one. Make sure you have same spelling, otherwise it will not work. So here we will create the toast message to show this user key. So here we will pass user ID. Okay, now run the application and test it. Okay, let's click on any profile. Here you can see here is user ID. Okay, now we have access over user ID on this activity. So now we will design over view friend activity. So open layout view friend activity, and here we will add over card view. So first I will add card view, that will be match parent, and here we will add margin from all sides. Let's say I select 40 dB, and now we will add corner radius. Let's say I select 10 dB. Okay, now inside this card view we will add constraint layout, that will be match parent, and also height will be match parent, and just close it. Now go to design and add the constraint of this card view to constraint. So click on this button, it will automatically add the constraint from all sides. Okay, now we need view. So inside this constraint layout we will add view. Make sure you have capital letter, and that will be match parent, and height will be 320 dB. And background, here we will select background color accent. Okay, now go to design and add the constraint from top, right, and left. Okay, now inside this card view we will add over circle image view. So again go to text, and here we will add circle image view for profile. So select here circle image view. So that will be 120 dp, and height will be 120 dp, and select the source, and here I will select profile. Okay, now add the constraint. So add the constraint from right, left, and also from top. Also we need to add the margin from top. Let's say I select here 32 dp. Okay, now we need to add over text view. So here we will add text view for username. So add the constraint from left and right, it's automatically added. So now we need to add the constraint from top. Okay, now change the ID of this profile image. So I will change it profile image and change the ID of this text view to username. And now design it text size 24 dp and text color. Let's say I select here color white and select style into bold. Okay, now change the text into username. Okay, now we will add over city and country in one text view. So add the constraint from left and right and also from top. Okay, now this will be address. I will add both city and country in this address. So change the text color. So I will change the text color into white. Okay, now remove the margin from top. Okay, now it's good. So let's say I type here text into New York, USA. Okay, it's good. Okay, now we will add two buttons. So I will drag two buttons here. Okay, now select first button and add the constraint from top. And add a margin from top 24 dp and change it into match parent. Okay, now select the second button and add the constraint from top and also change the width into match parent and also change the margin from right into 16 dp and also 16 dp. Now change the first button and also change it to 16 dp. Okay, now first button is our send request. So here I will call it BTN send request, or you can call it BTN perform. Perform is better. BTN perform, and now we can say BTN decline. Okay, now we need to change the color of these buttons. So we need to change the text. So here we will change the text. Here is send request, and here we have to change it into decline request. Okay, now we will create the background of these two buttons. So here we will create dribble. So right click new and select dribble resource file, btn perform. And here we will add the item. Inside item we will shape. Inside shape we will add corner. Sorry, it's first solid, and color will be green. This one, and now we will add corner. So corner radius will be 8 dp, and just close it. Now we will add background to first image. So select here background, and here we can say btn perform. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we will create another. So right click new dribble. So btn decline. And here we will add over item. Again, inside item we will add shape. Inside shape we will add solid, and this time we will select the color red. And now we will add over corner. Radius will be 8 dp. Just close it. And here we will add the background. This will be BTN line. Okay. Now select the button and give a margin little bit. 10 dp is enough. And now change the text color. So text color into white. And also will be white. Okay, now our UI is ready. So in the next video we will read all the data from the Firebase of this particular user, and on the next videos we will perform the action of this button. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care.